Let us be friendly and polite to each other. And number 3, no spamming of messages or emoji. So as you can see and observe, we have an in-call messages here in the Google Meet, yung my messages icon. So you can use the messages icon when you want to ask something to teacher, or when you say, teacher, can I go to the bathroom? Teacher, can I go drink some water? You can do that, okay? But no spamming. Fourth, be friendly to classmates, okay? So every session that we have, so this is what we're gonna do. Teacher will open at exactly 9 a.m. We'll wait for your other classmates for about 10 minutes, and then we'll start the class. And then upon starting the class, every time that we have a class, we also have a break time. Parang recess, okay? So during break time, you can befriend your classmates, you can talk to your classmates dito sa messages, but still, walang bullying, walang bad words, and walang spamming, okay? So be polite. When you want to ask teacher, or when you want to answer, for example, teacher's gonna say, oh, do you like colors? Why do you like colors? So if you want to answer teacher's question, you click the raise hand button, okay? Nakikita nyo ba yung natin, yung raise hand button, yung parang merong kamay? Yes, very good. That is the raise hand button, okay? So if you want to ask questions, if you want to answer teacher's questions, you just click that, okay? During break time, you can also talk to your classmates about your talents. Like, hey guys, I know how to sing. Who likes to sing as well? I know how to dance. I read a lot of books. Do you read as well? Okay, and you can befriend your classmates and talk about your snacks during break time. Okay? So that is everything about teacher. So teacher is also based in Davao region pala, okay? So Bisaya si teacher. So if you're a Bisaya, and there are instructions you can't understand, you can tell teacher, teacher, wala ko kasabot ato, can you please translate it to Bisaya? And if you also cannot understand Tagalog, you can say, teacher, I only understand English. Can you please say that, give the instructions in English? Okay? So that's all for teacher's introduction. Okay, sino nag-raise ng hand? Yes, Ate Yurian. Can I talk to the other classmate? Yes, you can talk, but later ka na mag-talk to your other classmates, okay? During break time. But during class pa natin, no talking to other classmates muna. About sa lesson lang muna ang ating i-talk, okay? Okay, very good. Okay, so now that teacher's done introducing herself, it's now time for you to introduce yourself as well, okay? So, teacher's gonna call you, kasi hindi pa man alam, teacher, what are your names? So, teacher's gonna call you according to your Google Meet na ginagamit, okay? So, if you have a Google Meet of your own, much better, and you can also use it, for example, hindi sa inyo yung ginagamit nyo today, you can use it tomorrow or the next day, okay? But still, teacher's gonna call you according to the Google Meet you're using right now, okay? So you tell teacher what's your name, your age, where do you live, and why do you want to learn or improve drawing, okay? Okay, so let's first start with Mercado Early. Mercado Early. Good morning. Can anybody hear me? Good morning, Ate. We can hear you, but your voice is, sobrang mahina siya, and there's a lot of background noise. Okay, so I think there's something wrong with your microphone ata Ate Erlene. Okay, so if you is mom and dad around, or do you have a guardian or an elder around you? So kindly ask them to help you with your microphone, okay? Kasi there's a static sound that we can hear sa background. Okay? Or if hindi pa din ma-resolve yung case kasi we really can't hear you, so type in your details na lang, okay? Okay, next we have Alexandra Megan.
Hello, my name is Alexandra Megan. I'm 7 years old. I like to draw because I want to draw a lake.
Okay, very good. Where do you live, ate? What's your nickname pala? What do you want teacher to call you?
Alexa.
Okay, thank you, Ate Alexa. So, si teacher pala you can call me Teacher Angel. Okay? Okay, thank you, Ate Alexa. So, next we have Alia Marie Mortel.
My name is Alia and my age is 6. I love to draw.
Okay, thank you, Ate Alia. So, teachers just gonna call you Ate Alia, okay? Okay. So, you also tell teacher why you love to draw or why you want to learn or improve your drawing, okay? Okay, so next we have Almery Joy Miguel.
Good morning. My name is Anaya Mayumi Miguel. My age is 8 and I love drawing.
Okay, so you enrolled to Art Venture because you love drawing. So what do you want teacher to call you, ate? And where do you live pala?
I live in Florida Blanca, Pampanga. And you can call me Yumi.
Yumi, okay. Thank you, Ate Yumi. So, Ate Yumi, if you also have your own Google account, you can use it as well, okay? So, next time when teacher calls you, teacher can call you in your real name, okay? So, next we have Arnie Claveron.
Hello, my name is Jael Oden P. Claveron. I'm 9 years old. I want to be better at drawing.
Okay, thank you, Kuya. So, you've enrolled here so that you can be better in your drawing. So, can you tell teacher, what's your nickname? How do you want teacher to call you?
Jael po.
JL, okay? Thank
Jael.
you po. JL. Okay. Thank you, Kuya JL. Okay, so next we have Charm Kabile.
My name is Mo Shannon M. Monroy. I am 9 years old. I want to improve my skills and I already joined poster making in my school.
Okay, wow, that's really cool, Kuya. So, how do you want to be called?
Mo po.
Mo?
Yes po.
Okay. So, Kuya Mo, what grade are you na pala? You've been entering poster making na pala sa school.
Incoming grade 5 po.
Okay, incoming grade 5. Very good. Okay, so next we have Denise Andrea.
Hello, I am Denise Andrea. I am 10 years old. I live in North Fairview, Quezon City, and I want to improve in drawing because I really love art and I want to improve it as much as my classmates do.
Okay, thank you for that, Ate Denise. How do you want to be called, Ate? Do you want to be called Ate Denise or Ate Andrea?
I'm okay with Ate Denise.
Okay, Ate Denise. Okay, next we have Mercado Emelita.
Hello, good morning po.
Good morning, Ate.
Good morning po. My name is Emelita Yelena V. Mercado. You can just call me Emmy lang po for my nickname po. I am 16 years old and I want to improve my drawing po because I was inspired by artists I see online.
Okay, very good. So thank you for that, Ate Emmy. So teacher will try her best for you to become just like the artist that you're aspiring to become on the internet as well, okay? Okay, next we have G. Julia. G. Julia na Google account. Okay, so baka walang microphone. Okay, let's move on forward to Janelia Gia.
Oh, yan o. Hello, teacher.
Oh, hello po.
Ayan,
Okay.
My name is Yesha Lucy Bornay. I am 6 years old. I want to explore arts.
Okay, you want to learn art. So, what's your nickname, Ate? How do you want Teacher Angel to call you?
Yesha.
Yesha?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Ate Yesha. Okay, so next we have Gianelia Gia.
Hi, my name is Janela Sancheta and I am 11 years old. I want to improve my skills or on drawing for me to create manual.
Okay, so thank you, Ate. How do you want teacher to call you? Ate Janelia or Ate Gia?
Gia po.
Okay. Okay, Ate Gia. So welcome to Art Venture. Okay, next we have Hatana Macasni.
Good morning. My name is Atana Machasni Ciceron. My age is 10 and I want to improve my drawings for the next school year.
Okay. Ate, so what grade na pala are you now? Grade na pala.
Grade 4.
Grade 4.
Incoming grade 4.
Incoming grade 4. Okay. So, si Kuya Mo is incoming grade 5 and Ate Hatana is incoming grade 4. Ate Hatana, how do you want to be called ba?
Honey.
Ano?
Honey po.
Honey.
Hanee.
Okay, Ate Honey. So, that's your nickname. Okay. So, next we have Iris C.
You can talk. Okay.
Hello, my name is Gabriel C. My age is 8. I want to improve my drawing skills.
Why do you want to improve your drawing, Kuya? Kuya Gab?
For incoming grade 4.
Okay, for your incoming grade 5 as well. Okay, very good. So, can teacher call you Kuya Gab or Kuya Gabriel?
Kuya Gab.
Okay, Kuya Gab. Okay, so may na-log out daw kanina. So, Elijah Joseph Gabriel. So, you may have your introduction now. Okay, kasi napunta na kami kay Kuya Gab na ano. Okay, na-log out ikaw kanina. So, now that you're back, can you introduce yourself? Elijah Joseph Gabriel. Kuya Elijah, is your microphone working? Can you turn on your microphone for your introduction, Kuya Elijah? Oh. Kuya Elijah. So you may turn on your microphone, Kuya Elijah, for your introduction. Okay, so siguro hindi working yung microphone ni Kuya Elijah. Okay. So Kuya Elijah's name is Elijah Joseph Gabriel. He is 8 years old and he loves drawing. Okay. So teachers just gonna call you Kuya Elijah. Okay. Okay, so next we have Jamie.
Wait, can you hear me properly?
Yes, I can hear you, Ate.
Oh, okay. My name is Jamie. I'm 14. You can just call me Jamie, by the way. And I want to improve my drawing because I believe that there is always room for improvement.
Okay, that's really nice, Ate Jamie, and welcome to Art Lecture. Of course, there's always a room for improvement. Okay, so next we have James Gray.
Good morning. I the name is actually just my dad's name. My real name is Anika Tisales Gray. And
Okay, Ate, can teacher call you Ate Anika?
Yes.
Okay. How about your age and where do you live, Ate Anika? And also why you want to improve drawing?
I'm 9 years old and I live in Bacolod City, San Miguel, and I want to improve art because I really like all the designs and shapes of everything.
Okay, wow, that's really nice, Ate Anika. Thank you for that. Okay, next we have Jacqueline De Luna.
No po, this is actually another an account that I'm using, but my real name po is I am Jacob Resho po. I am 12 years old. I live here in Quezon City. In my school, I am a quite talented singer because I am good in singing, and I want to improve my drawing. Although in the past few years, I have been learning on how to draw, and each year get better.
Okay, wow, that's really good, Kuya Jacob. What grade are you now pala?
Incoming 8th grade, just ended 7th grade.
Okay, incoming grade 8 na si Kuya. Oh, that's really good that you have you have a talent in singing and that you're nurturing it. That's really nice, Kuya Jacob. So as well as for the other students, so teacher really likes it that you're nurturing your talents, okay? So that's really nice. And I also very happy that your parents are supporting you in your talents and your hobbies. That's really good. Okay? So welcome Kuya Jacob. And then next we have Giselle the Boo Boy.
My name is Julian Frank and Dagohoy. I am 7 years old. I live from Davao City. I want to learn more about art.
Hi, Kuya Julian! So, a fellow Davaoenyo pala si Kuya Julian. Taga saan ka sa Davao City, Kuya Julian?
Bago Galera po.
Okay, taga Bago Galera. Okay, so Bisaya ba si Kuya Julian?
Tagalog and English po.
Tagalog and English pala si Kuya Julian. Okay, so welcome to Art Venture, Kuya Julian. Okay, so next we have Giselle Nueva España.
Hello, my name is Jaziel Nueva España. I'm 8 years old. I want to improve my drawing skills to enhance my drawing.
Okay, thank you for that, Ate Giselle. So welcome to Art Venture. Okay, next we have Charin Chloe.
Good morning. My name is Jaren Chloe A. Verga. I am 9 years old. I want to improve my drawing skills because I want to be an artist when I grow up. I live in Taguig City.
Okay, welcome to Art Venture at the Jaren. So we have an aspiring artist pala dito. That's good. Okay, so teachers hoping to see your artwork soon in the museums and exhibits. Okay, next we have Julie Aracosta.
Hello, my name is Arya. I'm 4 years old and I'm excited to learn Art Adventure Academy.
Okay, ate. Is your name Ate Arya?
Yes.
Okay, so your nickname, a teacher's gonna call you Ate Arya as well.
Yes.
Okay, so welcome to Art Venture, Ate Arya. Okay, so next we have La Reina.
Morning, teacher.
Good morning, teacher.
My name?
My name is Joaquin Lucas Carrezo.
I'm?
I'm 5 years old.
Gusto mo mag-art? I want
to draw.
to draw.
To draw.
Okay, so Kuya Joaquin, do you have a sibling ba na nag-join din?
Yes.
Okay, who's your sibling?
Teacher, same din kasi. Larena, I haven't changed yung name eh. Larena din.
Okay po. Okay, yung other Okay. Okay po. So, if po, like during sa ganito po, and while yung nagsispeak yung isa, parang pahinaan lang yung boses ng sibling po para hindi masyadong mag-echo yung microphone po.
Okay po, pina-off ko po.
Okay po. So, hi Kuya Joaquin and welcome to Art Venture! Okay, so next naman, your sibling. So, who's the name of your sibling, Kuya Joaquin?
Hi, teacher. My name is Gianna. I am 7 years old. I want to learn art.
Why do you want to learn art, Ate Gianna?
I want to draw. To learn how to draw. How to draw.
Okay, you want to know how to draw. Okay, very good. So teacher will be teaching you how to draw. Okay? So welcome to Art Venture, Kuya Joaquin and Ate Gianna. Okay, so next we have Loisa Cano. Loisa Cano.
Hello, my name is Liam Alexis Cano. My age is 7. I like to improve my skills and drawings because it's my habit.
Okay. So drawing is your hobby, Kuya. Kuya, how do you want teacher to call you, Kuya?
Liam.
Liam?
Yes.
Okay. So welcome to Art Venture, Kuya Liam. Okay, next we have Margaret Winter.
My name is Margaret Winter Imarinas, or you can call me Winter. I am 6 years old. I live in Magdalena 1. I want
Ate Winter, why do you want to learn or improve drawing?
I want to be more creative.
Okay, very good. So Ate Winter, welcome to Art Venture Academy. So you will surely become more creative in our activities. Okay? Thank you, Ate Winter. So next we have Ocean Ariola. Ocean Ariola. Okay, baka baka AFK si... okay.
Good morning po. I am Ocean Ayola, but you can call me Ocean. I am Eliza Ayola's cousin, and I wanted to learn and increase my drawing skills because it is one of my interests in history alongside literature, like poetry and prose. Thank you.
Okay. So, Kuya Ocean, how old are you now, Kuya Ocean?
I am 15 years old.
Okay. Who's your cousin?
Si Eliza Ayola.
Si Kuya Elijah. Okay. So, welcome to our adventure, Kuya. Okay, so next we have Raquel Miral.
Hello, my name is Cassidy Gale. I live in Cornell Central, and I want to improve my drawings. My age is 7 years old, and my grade is grade 2.
Okay. Ate Cassidy Gale, how do you want teacher to call you? Do you want teacher to call you Ate Cassidy or Ate Gale?
Ate Gale po.
Okay, Ate Gale. You're welcome to our adventure, Ate Gale. Okay, next we have Sean Angelo Cano.
Hi, my name is Sean Angelo Yocano. Ay, sorry po. Hi, my name is Sean. Hi, my name is Sean Angelo Yocano. I am 12 years old. I live in Calamba City. I want to improve my drawing skills so I can create more complex drawings.
Okay, that's nice, Kuya Sean Angelo. So we will definitely be creating complex drawings as our lessons go by, okay? So next we have Yurian Buen Consejo.
Hi, teacher. Maria Elora Margo po yung name niya. Hindi na change. Margo.
I'm 6 years old. I love to draw and paint. I live in Tikapral. Davao City.
Okay, thanks for that, Ate Margo. Another Davaoeña that we have here. Okay, so teacher's gonna call you Ate Margo. Okay, so everyone, once again, welcome to our adventure. Okay, so now we're done with the introduction. Let's go to your requirements for today, okay? So do you have your requirements for today? So teacher said in our group chat, so you're gonna be needing your paper or your sketch pad, your pencils, your rulers, and your crayons. Yes, Kuya Julian?
Yes po, I all have that.
Okay, very good. Okay, so teacher have a question here. Do you think the basics are important?
Yes po.
Okay, why do you think the basics are important, Kuya Julia? So, Kuya Julia, next time when you want to answer teacher, you click the raise hand button muna, Kuya Julian, okay?
Okay po.
Okay, so why do you think the basics are important, Kuya Julian?
Because they're basic.
Okay, because they're the basics. Okay, what about Kuya Mo? Do you think the basics are important?
Yes po.
Okay, why do you think so? Why do we need it? Why is it important? Hindi ba pwedeng magdiretso sa complex lang? Turn on your...
Because it is the starts.
Okay, it is the starting point. Very good. Ayas, Ate Honey?
Yes, because it is the first step in learning how to draw.
Okay, very good. It's the first step in learning how to draw. How about Kuya Ocean?
The basics are very important because let's say you have a project that you find some mistakes, so you keep on improving it, but yet there's still some mistakes that you haven't found. Then you should go back to the basics because at least with the basics, it would always work and never make a mistake.
Okay, very good, Kuya Ocean. So when you have projects daw and then hindi siya naka-base sa basics, so there would always be at fault, okay? And then you would always ask yourself, what's wrong in here? But I did everything right naman, I think. So, when you go back to the basics and when you start with the fundamentals, that's when you find out that ito pala yung kulang, ito pala yung dapat gawin, because just like what Kuya said, you can never go wrong with the basics. Okay, so for our day 1, we will be tackling the lines and shapes. So what are lines and shapes? So let's start with the lines. So lines are straight or curved marks that connects 2 points. Okay? So, kinoconnect niya daw yung 2 points. So let's have here point A and point B. So, itong example dito is, this one is a straight horizontal line. So, sa second example naman, we have straight broken lines. And then next naman is dotted lines. How about this one? So, na-connect natin yung 2 points, pero hindi siya straight line. Do you think that is a line? Yes or no? Yes, Ate Alia? Alia Marie?
Yes.
Okay, yes. Very good. That is still a line. Kasi diba ang definition ng line? As long as na-connect niya ang 2 points. So here we have point 1 and point 2. So we have to make another line, another point A and point B. And then we have here something like this. So how about that? Is that a line? Yes, Ate Alexandra? Yes, Ate Megan? Okay, yes, very good. That is still a line. Because by definition, if it connects 2 points, it is a line. So now let's identify some lines here. What is this? Okay, you may turn on your camera for this one, your microphone for this one. Okay, what's this?
About Ipay.
Straight line.
Straight line.
How about this one?
Curved line.
Curved line. Very good.
Curved line.
Curly line.
Zigzag line.
Okay, we have
Wavy line.
curvy
So the wavy
lines
line.
or
Wavy.
wavy lines. Very good. How about this one?
Zigzag line.
The zigzag lines. Very good. Okay. So now on your paper, so you may use your rulers for this one, okay? So let's draw each type of line on your paper and then you label it. So if you already know how to spell, you may label it straight line, curved line, wavy line, and zigzag line, okay? Yes, Ate Anika, do you have a question? Okay. Okay, so, yes, Ate Jaren?
Paano po ipapangalan? Hindi ko po alam.
Okay. So, yung ipapangalan is yung straight line, yung curved line, yung wavy line, and the zigzag line. Okay? Yung in-identify natin kanina. But if you don't know the spellings of them, it's alright. So, if hindi, usually kasi yung mga 4 years old, 5 years old, hindi pa nag-spelling. So, it's alright. You may just draw the lines, okay? Okay. So, teacher will give you until 10 a.m. to do this activity. Yes, Kuya GL?
Tapos na ako po.
Okay, very good. So, once you're done, you just click the like button or the heart reaction or you may message done in our in-call chat, okay? So, para hindi din ma-pressure yung classmates nyo na magsabi na they're done, okay? Because teacher can see that some of your classmates are still making it man, okay? We'll just wait for them until 10 a.m., okay? So yes, Ate Margo, do you have a question?
Can we start?
Yes, you may start now. Yes, Ate, yes, Ate, yes, Ate Gianna, Ate Gianna.
Finish na po ako.
Oh, okay, so once you're done, mag-chat lang sa group chat or mag-react lang, okay? So, para hindi ma-pressure yung iba na nagdo-drawing pa, okay? Okay, we have 3 more minutes. Okay? So, if you know how to spell, you write the labels of each, okay? Straight line, the curvy line, the wavy line, and the zigzag line. And again, once you're done, so mag-chat lang dito sa chat box or mag-react ng like or heart. Huwag na mag-open ng microphone, okay? So, para hindi ma-pressure yung classmates na hindi pa tapos. Okay, 2 more minutes.
army of natural.
Okay, 1 more minute. So by 10 a.m. Okay, Lucas na lang daw for Kuya Joaquin. Okay, so by 10 a.m., so teacher's gonna take a picture, okay? So we'll take a picture of your drawing. Okay, so it's now 10 a.m. So kindly open your camera and show your drawings to the camera so teacher can take a picture, okay? Okay. Everybody show your drawings on camera so teacher can take a picture.
Wait, because we're in the sky, so
Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Smile. Okay, very good. Okay, so teacher can see here some different lines are being drawn. Well, wow, very good. Okay, so teacher's just gonna send it to our group chat, okay? Okay, so it's now 10 a.m. So before we continue to our other activities, we'll have break time first, okay? So we'll have break time muna until 10:15 a.m., okay? So again, during break time, so no bullying, no spamming. If you want to talk to your classmates, you can talk in our in-call messages, okay? So you continue our class, okay? Okay. So, teacher will now, so balik natin yung sa mga times na hindi natin naanuhan. Okay, let's identify some shapes naman. Okay. So, what are the shapes? Okay, so, what is a shape? What does a shape mean? Who wants to read the definition of the shape? Okay, we have here. Kuya
So basically,
Jacob.
shapes are like, yes, they are enclosed areas and they have defined boundaries and they have a certain look to them. They are mostly if lines are the building blocks of drawing, then shapes are like the organisms or the main source of what makes a drawing, since most drawings include geometrical figures, which are the shapes. And without them, you cannot make a good artist. You can't make good artistry.
Thank you so much for that, Kuya Jacob. So, that is definitely right. So, nasagot na lahat ni Kuya Jacob. So, again, what Kuya Jacob said, so, shapes are enclosed areas with defined boundaries. So, boundaries, for example, triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. So, you can't call a shape with 4 sides a triangle because shape with 4 sides is now also called a square. Okay? So, a circle as well. So, all of the other shapes, they all have defined boundaries. And just like what Kuya Jacob also said, every drawing starts with the basic shape. Okay? So, you always remember this. Okay? So, when teacher asks you, what's the first thing we're gonna do? So you always tell, first we start by sketching with the basic shapes, okay? So your head, the glasses, everything that you see around, they start with the basic shapes. Now let's identify some shapes here. What's this one?
Circle.
Square. Okay,
Square.
this is a circle.
Square.
Very good.
Triangle.
Where?
Heart. That's creative.
Okay, so those are the different shapes that we have. Okay, so now let's get creative. So teacher's gonna show you a shape with a color, and then you tell teacher how you see it. Okay, so for example, this one. So how teacher sees it. Okay, you may raise your hand for this one. Okay, so when teacher says this one, unang-una na puput sa mind ni teacher is, it may be a sunflower. Okay, what about you? What do you think? What object do you think when you see a yellow circle? Okay, we have Ate Megan. Ate Megan? Okay, what about Ate Anika? A sun. Okay, a sun. Okay, what else? What about Kuya GL? A lemon, an egg yolk, an emoji. Okay, let's see. Okay, and a smiley face emoji. And also a sun. Okay, what about this one? An object containing these shapes. What do you think? So you may type it in our messages here. Okay, a box, an iPod. What else? A hut, a house, a desk. Okay, a Philippine flag. Okay, let's see what it says here. Okay, it says a house. So triangle for the house, square for the body and the windows, and rectangle for the door. What about this one? What is the shape of the yellow circle on the center of the flower? What shape is that? That is a circle. Very good. What about its stem? What kind of line is that? Is that a zigzag line? The stem. What kind of a stem that? Okay, is it a straight? Is it a curvy line? Okay, so that is a circle and that one is a curved line. Okay, what about the sun? What are the shape and lines that you can see here? We have a circle and some straight lines. Very good. Okay, what about this one? This is, what are the shapes that you can see here in this train? We can see straight lines. What else do you see? What are the shapes that you can see in this train? Okay, we have rectangle, circle, rectangle. What else? Triangle. We can also see some triangles here. Okay, so here are, so we have here the circle. What about the rectangle? Here, we have that here. Okay, and then the square, we have that in here. Okay, what about this shape? What shape is that? Okay, we have a parallelogram. Very good. We have a cylinder, a rectangular. Wow, very good. Okay, so Kuya Jacob, those are actually TD. You're very advanced. It's really good. Okay? Okay, so next we have the lines and shapes in the modern world. Okay, so for 10 minutes, so get your paper and get your pencil and get your color. So choose at least 5 objects. Okay? So you draw the 5 objects and then you color them and then you label what shape they have. For example, teacher will give an example. Balloon. So you draw the balloon, you color it yellow, and then beside it, you write circle. Okay? Okay, so for 10 minutes, up to 10:34 a.m., that is what you will be doing. Okay? Yes, Ate Margo.
We will draw the same part of the shapes.
Any shape that you can find, okay? So, for example, yung binigay ni teacher na example. So, now you have one example now. So, you draw the balloon, you color it with yellow, and then you write it beside circle. Okay? What about Ate Cassidy? Do you have a question, Ate? Ate Gail? A straight line is a line. It's not a shape, but it can be part of a shape. Okay?
Any color po ba?
What about Ate Jaren? Yes, Ate. Any color that you want to use. Yes,
I
Ate
didn't mean to
Margo.
wreck the hand. I didn't mean to wreck the hand.
What?
She
Can
said
you type
po
in your
that
question
she
instead,
accidentally
Ate Margo?
pressed the hand button.
Okay. So, hindi kasi masyadong maano ni teacher. So, mahina lang yung ano ni teacher, yung volume ng sounds. Thank you, Kuya.
Thank you po.
Yes, Kuya Elijah, you can repeat the same shapes. Okay, so once you're done, you will just wait for your classmates, okay? Don't forget to color the objects that you draw, okay? Okay, 2 more minutes. Okay, so don't forget 5 shapes, ha? So don't forget to write the shape beside it, beside the object that you draw.
I'm done.
Yes, Ate Margo. Okay, very good. So, Ate Margo, when you're done, you just type here in the chat box, okay? Okay. Okay, it's now 10:35 a.m. So let's now, okay, teachers, let's now take a picture, okay? Okay. So kindly show your drawings to the camera and teacher's gonna take a picture, okay? Kuya Lucas, where's your drawing, Kuya Lucas? Wow, ang daming object ni Ate Honey. Wow, ka-Ate Jaren din. Very good naman. Okay, everybody, show your drawings. Show your drawings so teacher can take a picture now. Hello? Ate Gia, Ate Jamie, Kuya Jacob, can you show your artworks now? So teacher can take the picture. Okay, teacher's now gonna take the picture. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, Ate Gia, show your drawing. Where's your drawing, Ate Gia? Oh, okay. So, if hindi ma-open ang camera, okay lang. So, another one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Okay, very good. Okay. So, who wants to present their activity first? Okay.
It's called GL
Okay,
po.
let's start with Kuya GL. Oh, it's Kuya GL. Okay, let's start with Kuya GL. Okay, upon presentation of your
I drew.
drawings, okay, so you tell teacher, I draw, for example, teacher, I drew the balloon, and the shape of the balloon is circle. That's how you present, okay?
The tote
Okay,
bag,
let's start with Kuya GL.
it is mostly square and also rectangle. Balloon, pizza, the
Okay,
sun,
what are the other shapes that you found?
present, and a stop sign or a sign. A triangle. The sun is a triangle
Okay, what
and
are
a
the shapes
circle.
of those?
A pizza is also a triangle and a circle. A sign is a circle and a square is a square and a line. A present is a square and a circle. And a balloon is just a circle.
Okay, very good. Thanks for that, Kuya Joel. Okay, next
I
we
drew
have
a balloon,
Ate
the house,
Jaren.
and the I forgot. Kate ba yun?
Okay,
I
so
drew
you
a
say the
balloon that
object
is
and then
mostly
what shape it is,
circle
Ate.
and a house that has a triangle roof and the bottom is square. And the kite that is diamond and the game that square.
Okay, thank you so much, Ate Jaren. Okay, next we have Yumi.
So, I have here a gift that is square and also a balloon that is mostly circle and and a hat, this party hat that is triangle, and this bag that is rectangle, and this kite that is diamond shaped.
Okay, thank you so much, Ate. What about Ate Gianna?
Teacher, I drew a balloon. It is color yellow. I draw a gift square. I draw a triangle. Pizza. I draw a diamond kite. And a box. Rectangle.
Okay, thank you for that, Ate Gianna. Very good. Okay, so next we have Ate Hani. So, ang daming objects na na-found ni Ate Hani. So, next
So,
to Ate
what I
Hani
have
is
here
Kuya
is
Mo.
a
Okay?
party hat
So,
that
si
is a
Ate Hani
triangle, a
muna.
present that is a cube, a balloon that is a circle, and a warning sign that is that is a rectangle and a circle, and a sign that is a triangle. A color wheel on paper that is a circle, rectangle, and a triangle because the tire is a circle, pizza box is a square, and then the house is a triangle, square, and rectangle. The sun is a circle.
Okay, wow. Very good, Ate Hani. That's a lot of things. Okay, Ate Jaren, it's okay if you're not fluent in English. You can speak in Tagalog
I draw a
naman.
balloon.
Okay, so next we now have Kuya Mo.
I draw a balloon which is a circle in shape. I draw a signage which is a square in shape. I draw a house which is an triangle and square in shape. I draw a clouds in shape is curve. I draw a kite which is a triangle in shape.
Okay, thank you for that, Kuya Mo. Okay, next we have
Hello po,
Kuya
teacher.
Julian.
My drawings po is a color wheel that is circle.
Hi,
and the
Kuya.
colors are triangle. I drew a kite that is diamond and a color palette that is circle, and also the paint on the color palette is circle. I drew a bag that is square, a sign that is square, a triangle that is a square, and also a balloon that is a circle, a house that the roof is a triangle and the bottom is a square.
Okay, thank you so much for that, Kuya Julian.
I draw
Okay, next
a
we
color
have
wheel
Ate
that is
Cassidy
circle and a
Pale.
triangle, and balloon is a circle, and a birthday hat is a triangle, and a gift and square, and a bag and square, and the sun a circle and a triangle, and the kite a triangle.
Okay, very good, Ate Cassidy. How about the others? Wala na ba gusto mag-present? How about Kuya Ocean?
Ikaw. In my
Yes, Kuya,
drawings,
you're
I
audible, Kuya.
found the balloon being a circle, a kite being
Okay, can you show your drawings to us,
these are my drawings.
Kuya?
What I saw is in the picture is a balloon being a circle shape, the kite being a diamond, the table being a rectangle, the bike wheels in the bicycle being a circle, the present box being a square, the hat being a trapezoid in the circle, the sign being a square, and the canvas painting being a square and a circle.
Okay, thank you so much for that, Kuya Ocean. Okay, next we have Ate Yesha.
I draw a balloon.
Ate Yesha? Ate, kindly turn on your... okay. Pakita kami ng ano mo, ate, ng drawing. Ate Yesha. Okay. So, what are those
I draw a
drawings?
balloon. I draw a kite. I draw a pink one.
Okay, so what are the shapes of those objects that you drew?
The balloon is
What's the shape
is a
of the
circle.
balloon and the kite?
The kite is a diamond.
Okay, how about the others? The other
I draw
objects that
pink
you
kite.
made? Okay, very good, ate. Okay, next we have Kuya Lucas.
Balloon.
Shape?
Shape.
Ano shape?
Tanggol.
Ano shape ng balloon?
Circle.
Next. Aling drawing mo?
Pentagon.
Sign. Anong shape?
Triangle.
Next.
Give.
Shape?
Bag.
Anong shape ng leaf?
Square.
Yung bag?
Rectangle.
Tapos kite? Di ba kite to?
Kite.
Anong shape?
Diamond.
Okay, next ano ito yung drawing mo?
Sunflower.
Anong shape?
Second.
Okay, thank you for that, Kuya Lucas. Very good. Okay, so next we have Ate Winter.
I drew a sun with triangle circle. I drew a shape. Looks like a building. I drew a building with triangle and square. Balloon. I drew a balloon with circle. I drew a signage square, and I drew a bike is circle. Tire.
Okay, thank you for that, Ate Winter. Very good. Okay, next we have... Okay, Ate
So I drew
Giselle.
a gift that is square. I drew
Yes, Ate Anika, you
I
may go to the
drew a
bathroom.
sign that is square. I drew a bag that is square. I draw a sun that is circle.
Okay, very good, Ate Giselle. Okay, next we have Julie.
Show your drawing na. You tell them what it is, Arya. Okay, go.
I drew a balloon and also I drew the poster.
Louder.
I drew the balloon and I also drew the poster and also a house and also a painting wall and also a palette paint and also a kite.
Okay, thanks for that, Ate Aria. Okay, so sabi naman ni Ate Giselle, okay, you can call me Ate Jazzy daw. Okay, so teacher's just gonna write that here. Okay, Ate Jazzy. Okay, yes, we have Kuya Elijah. Okay, patingin kami ng artwork mo, Kuya. Kuya, can you open your your microphone? Baka you can open your microphone so you can explain it. Hindi siya gumagana. Okay. So, pakita mo na lang and teacher will just read it out loud for your classmates, okay? Okay. So, Kuya Elijah daw, he drew the balloon. The balloon is a circle. The sun is a circle. And the roof of the house is a triangle. So, the color wheel with circle and triangles. The warning sign is with the circle. And the square bench being a rectangle. And the bench being a rectangle. The kite as a diamond. And the plate as a circle. Okay. Very good, Kuya Elijah. Thank you so much. Next, we have... yes, Ate Yisha, do you have a question? Okay, your battery is turning low. Oh, it's okay kasi we're almost done naman din as well, okay? Okay, so it's now 10:54 a.m. Okay, so yung activity sana natin ngayon is we're gonna list all the shapes that you can see here in the picture, okay? But we're now short of time, so teacher's just gonna give this to you as an assignment, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna draw the bus. So it's okay if it's not exactly the bus that you can see here. Just do your best using the basic shapes, okay? And then you label them. For example, the wheels. So you put an arrow to them and you put circle. And then the side mirrors, they're oval. You put an arrow to them and then
May
you
question
write
po ako.
oval.
Isi-send mo po ba yan
Yes,
sa
Ate
GC?
Jarian, do you have a question? Yes, Ate, of course. Teacher's gonna send this in our group chat. Okay. So, do you have any more questions? Okay. If none, that would be all. And teacher
Thank you
will
po.
see you tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay. Did you have fun on your first day?
Yes.
Okay. Very good. So, teacher will see you tomorrow. And don't forget to do your assignment. Okay?
Bye.
Bye-bye.
See you later, alligator.
Bye-bye.
See you.